Hi, welcome back to another episode of Cooking Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how I made this nice good sponge cake with chocolate glazed icing. Very delicious. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. Okay, we're going to start off with 6 eggs, and we're going to put this, start mixing them together. We're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of granulated sugar. I use blended, and we're going to whisk this in really good. Everything gets so incorporated. You want a nice good Okay, you're gonna kind of put 1 cup of flour, all-purpose. No, I'm using self-rising flour, and you're gonna kind of fold this in. Probably would have been better if I sifted the flour first, but I didn't do that. Okay, next thing you want to do is we're going to put this into the cake pan. And you're going to set the stove for 350 Fahrenheit. Leave it in for about 45 minutes or until it's done. We'll come check on it. Okay, so far we want 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. That's just dark cocoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're just going to sift that in real quick. Okay, next you want a cup of confectioners sugar, powdered sugar, and we're just going to sift this in too. Make sure it's very sifted in. And I'm using Splendid. I made my own confectioner sugar. All you need is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and Splendid, and blend it up real good. Okay, I just want to put in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just need 1. Okay, next we want to add 5 tablespoons tablespoons of butter. And then we just want to add in 2 tablespoons of water, like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to whisk this together. And now we're just going to take a whisk and we're just going to whisk this in very good. Try not to spill any of it. When you find it getting a little stiff, just add a little bit more water, because we'll probably have to add some water to this. You sure will. Okay, what we're going to do is going to take our glazed icing and we're going to just smear it on the cake. Okay, we'll come back. Okay, I'm gonna try this nice good sponge chocolate icing cake. Oh, that looks good. That is delicious. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you ain't already. Hit that bell. Don't miss a notification, and I'll see y'all next time.